Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can integrate micro payment into your WordPress website. So this is also one of the best payment gateway which we can use in our own websites and accept the payments from our customers. So in most of the cases, people who are living in European countries and all, they are mostly interested to install this one into their websites. All right, so why this is because this is also providing the SEPA direct debit, and that is also easy into this specific payment gateway to activate and all. So in other payment gateways it is little difficult to do the verification and submit the documents, and also in that way people are just interested to see something easier. So micro payment is one of them. So I have a lot of other clients who are also using this specific micro payment gateway. So today I will be showing you the live example of this one, where you could able to get to know that yes, this is also this can be the solution for your websites as well. So you can also accept MasterCard, SEPA, Visa, and call to pay, and lot of other direct debit, JCB, so forth, Ideal, lot of other payment methods which you can use using this specific micro payment gateway, right? So I have already my WordPress website, so over there I have already installed one plugin. So you can see that here we have the sales, and if you will click on the plugins, then you will get to know that I have one plugin which is this one. Make sure that you have WooCommerce installed already, and then after you need to install this plugin which is WooCommerce micro payment gateway. All right, so you have to do some settings inside of it, which are like you have to add the project ID and access key, which is really important. So I will be showing you that one as well, but you know that first of all you need to log into your micro payment account, and you must have an account first. Then after you need to activate that one, and then after you will able to use the specific plugin into your website. So let me log into my micro payment account. So here you have to enter the username, then after you have to add the password, and then click on sign in. So once you are signed in, then you will be getting a specific dashboard where you could able to get all the information regarding your payments. Like we have this much amount from our customers. So we have received actually weekly view, monthly view. So if you will be clicking on the weekly view, so that means you are going to see the sales which you got in the in specific week. So for example, I am clicking on this one. You will be getting all the information that at what time we got this specific sale. All right, so all the information you will be getting onto this specific dashboard, and there are other things over here. You can also go through each and every one. So let me show you one more thing, like payment methods. So before using this specific payment gateway, you need to activate that one. You need to send the activation request. So you can also see that here we have the credit card. So this is not currently activated, right? So this is also not. So if you will see on the direct debit, then you will be getting like digital design, and if you will click on direct debit, so here you will be getting a green option. So that would be representing your account, that this is this account is eligible for you. I mean, that would be acceptable. So if you will be seeing on the other, actually here we have a few problems because of which this is showing this specific status. Otherwise here we could we will be getting the green symbol. All right, so we have other payment methods as well. So whenever you will have to use any specific payment method, so you need to send the request to the micro payment support team, and they will be reviewing your details and all, and then after they will be activating your things, right? So if you are interested to take the help from them, you can also add here your email address, your mobile phone number, and then add here your message, and they are mostly giving you the reply within 1 day. So of course, if you want, you can also take the help from them. So they will be immediately replying you with their useful information, and definitely that will be helpful for you to have a clue that how you can solve a specific issue. So let me show you one more thing, which is like here we have few other things, like we have the projects here. So if you will be seeing the projects, then you know that before using this one we always have to create one project. So I have clicked on that, and you will be getting that all the information is over here, like project is active, verified, released by risk management, account is legitimate. So whenever you will be using this payment gateway for the first time, you will not getting this message. So this will be verified only when you will be sending them the request, and you know that when you will be clicking on this action, then you can request you will be getting the option over here like request for verification. Currently we have request cancellation, so that means if we are interested to cancel this specific one, we can also do like that. So you will have few other interested things over here, so you can also explore a lot of other things. So I am also going to show you one more thing, which is like this one, payment window. So payment window means there are actually multiple ways to implement this micro payment. So payment window is also one among them. So here we have the access key, and then we have the project. So you need to select the project, and then you will be getting the specific code over here. So let me show you. So if you will be scrolling it down, you will be getting this specific information, and here is the quick start guide. So if you will be clicking on the advanced, then you will be getting these specific things, and you know you have to download this example if you want to implement into your PHP website, or maybe Node.js, React, and any other technology like Python and all. So you need to download this one, and this will be having all the packages, I mean all the information which you have required. For example, I am downloading this one, so all the information would be inside of it. You just need to open this specific one. Let me show you. So I have this download. So here we have, let me create one new folder. So test folder, sorry, okay, leave it. I'm going to move this specific file to this specific folder. So if you will open this one, and I'm going to right click and then extract here. So once I am doing this one, then everything would be extracted here, and you know that you can also once you will be running this specific page index.php, then you will be getting all the information. So let me copy this whole bunch of code from here, and I'm gonna paste it onto my server. So let me go to my server here. So I'm gonna write here one more folder like micro payment. So once I am pasting that code over here, so everything would be pasted over here. Let me open my server. So for example, I have this one, XAMPP control panel. So I need to start the servers first. I have done that. Now I need to go over here, and let me write here localhost. Then we have gateways, and inside of gateways I have one folder which I already told you about. So we need to wait for a while. Yeah, this server has not been, this is just now started. So we need to wait for a while, and once that is loaded, and you will be getting this specific folder here, micro payment. So once you will be clicking that one, you will be getting all the information over here. All right, so you have here like HTTP redirect. So for example, you are clicking on that one, you will be redirected to a specific payment method that you can explore over here. So currently we are getting the error. Why? Because we have not added the project detail and all. So we need to add the project details, we need to add the access key. So here we have multiple methods. They have also provided the dummy code, text and product they have already created, and all the information we are getting over here. So if we are clicking any one of this specific payment method, so we will be redirected to that specific page, and from there we can do the payment. So currently I already told you that I have not added the access key and all, so you need to add the access key inside the code and you will be good to go with this one. All right, so you will be able to use this specific code into your in whatever technology you are using to implement this micropayment. All right, so if you are still facing any issue like in the WordPress website or in any other technology, so you can also contact me. I will be adding the contact details into my description, so you can also WhatsApp me, or even you can also connect me on the Skype. So let me show you over here on the website where I have implemented. So for example, I have this packages, and once I have selected one among this one, so I have just added into the cart, and here we have the cart, and if we are clicking on proceed to checkout, then we will be getting all the related information, which is like this one. We are adding the details, and at the end you will be getting this specific SEPA micropayment SEPA direct debit. So that means we have implemented successfully, and here we need to add the card holder name, then we have the IBN, BIC, and here we also have the option that we can save the card details, and then we have to agree and then place the order. So this is the right way to do the integration into your WordPress website. So if you are thinking that you are having trouble in this one, you can contact me. I will be helping you out with this issue. And if you have needed any website, WordPress website, or any other e-commerce website, you can also contact me. I'm also a web developer. I have developed a lot of websites of my clients and all. So if you have needed such type of things and all, you can, or even you have needed a specific sport, or you have a technical issue, so you can contact me and I will be helping you out with that issue as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking that this video was useful for you and added some information for you, added some value for you, then please subscribe this channel and like this video as well. So once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.